Here is a number nobody puts on architecture diagrams. Your slowest component is not the blockchain. It is the compliance decision in front of it. Design compliance as a pipeline, and the whole system inherits its speed. Stage 1, screening, inline and both directions. Every outbound address is checked before signing. Every inbound payment is scored on arrival. Chainalysis and TRM run this as an API call in the payment path. Milliseconds, not minutes, scoring wallets against sanctions lists, stolen fund flows, and mixer exposure. The design rule: screening is code in the hot path, not a queue a human clears in the morning. Humans handle the exceptions, the code escalates. Stage 2. The travel rule. Above roughly $1,000 in most jurisdictions, originator and beneficiary information must move with the payment between institutions. The chains don't carry it, a parallel messaging layer does, and your integration must attach it at payment creation. Retrofitting this after launch means re-architecting your payment object. Do it first. Stage 3. Know your customer, tiered by risk. Flat KYC on every user is how compliance budgets die. The pattern regulators accept and engineers can build. Verification depth scales with limits. Low limits, light verification. Higher limits, documents and source of funds. Counterparty institutions, full diligence. Every tier decision logged with the evidence that justified it. Oh, stage 4, the license map. In the EU, MiCA authorization is mandatory now. Running without it means delisting. The US federal regime under the Genius Act operates from January 2027. Until then, state money transmission licenses carry the load, and a full national footprint takes years and millions. Singapore's framework is live. The sequencing rule. One jurisdiction first, in production, before the second begins. A license pipeline runs in parallel with engineering, never in front of it. Stage 5, and the one that saves you in an examination. The audit trail. Every automated decision, approved, blocked, escalated, written to an append-only log with the policy version that made it. The test is concrete. A regulator asks why one specific payment cleared 11 months ago, and you answer in minutes with the rule, the risk score, and the reviewer. Companies that pass examinations are the ones that treat the audit log as a product, not a byproduct. The number that makes the case for all of this: manual review cost multiply per corridor, while pipeline costs amortize. A compliance pipeline is expensive once. A compliance department that scales linearly with volume is expensive forever. The Monday directive: choose a screening vendor and wire it into the payment path this quarter, pre-send and on receipt. Attach travel rule data at payment creation. Write your KYC tiers as policy as code with log decisions. Name the jurisdiction you will be licensed in first and the officer who owns the relationship. And run one fire drill. Pick a random past payment and reconstruct its full decision trail. Time it. That time is your real compliance posture. Next episode: reconciliation. The unglamorous layer where pilots quietly die, and how to close books on money that moves in seconds.